There's a mirror. Quana, don't open the mirror. Bad child!
Don't look at me. I don't know what I'm doing.
But yes, guest star appearance.
That is Quana. Ah! I am one. No! Why do I even have my suitcase anymore?
I don't know. Even in here.
My suit. Put my clothes back in there.
What?
Put my clothes back in there.
I'm sorry, Ryan. I'm just gonna fold myself up and
Hi, you too.
stick myself to Australia
Hi.
or something. Somewhere I don't have to deal with you. Because I'm guessing YouTube is banned in Australia by now. This is working just fine. Don't worry.
Quana.
Don't look at me. I said don't look at me.
I'm not sure, but I don't think you'll fit in there.
Too bad. If I just fold enough. Oh, people probably wondering, how the f did he do that? How is he that flexible? No man is that flexible. Well, too bad. I say screw you, company. I am that flexible.
Do it.
Tell you about your clothes, Ryan.
Do it.
You
That's
what?
still creepy. Do the other leg. Break your neck.
Don't break my neck. No.
Quana's going to deep throat a remote now.
No, I ain't.
Ow! Fuck.
I just nailed him in the crotch. We're gonna be famous on YouTube! Yeah! No, wait.
Maybe you should go get a wife.
We should record Magic the Gathering games instead. That'd be a whole lot more exciting.
You know what? Let's do that.
Yeah, it's actually fun.
Bye, YouTube. See you later.
Good time.
Peace. Bye.